Hey guys, I hope you're ready for this because this shit is gonna blow your mind. So these are keto cheddar bay biscuits, and I swear to you, they taste and feel just like the real thing. So you're gonna whisk together some almond flour. I'm using the brand from Costco. You can use whatever brand you can get your hands on. I did make a little bit of a mistake filming this. There were some parts that I thought I was filming and I wasn't. But you're gonna add some cayenne, some garlic, granulated garlic, and some granulated onion, which was not shown there, along with some dried parsley. Just get all the lumps out. In a separate bowl, you're going to whisk together your 2 large eggs and your sour cream. Just kind of beat that up a little bit, get it, nice and mixed, because you're going to drizzle in some slightly cooled melted butter. Mine was not all the way cool. Don't do what I did, even though I didn't fuck it up or nothing, but that's why I was doing like a slow stream. So once you mix all that together and the butter is like nice and emulsified, you're gonna fold in the wet with the dry. Now here, I don't know if you can tell, but that batter, that's too wet. That's just way too wet. We want to add a little bit more. You're going to add a little bit more almond flour if that's the case. This is the consistency that you want. I ended up adding an additional 3 tablespoons. So now I'm adding the sharp, I don't know if this is sharp or extra sharp. Either way, sharp cheddar cheese that I shredded by hand, of course. We all know that melts better than the shit in the bag. So fold that in, and that is perfect. You want it to be the same texture as a drop biscuit, like that's made with regular flour. So put those onto a baking sheet that has been lined with either Silpat or any other silicone situation, or parchment like I'm using. Now I did switch to a larger pan, because these do spread a little bit, just a little bit. So now they're ready. Mine took exactly 12 minutes, brushing them with garlic butter. This is such an easy recipe, and I swear you're going to love these. These were so good. I literally ate one for breakfast the next morning, popped it in the air fryer for about 3 or 4 minutes, and it was just, it was perfect. I wanted you guys to have this recipe because this is something that you can just kind of like make on your low carb journey. And I am using it in one of this week's menu recipes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.